Hi guys, welcome back to my Jewish cooking and baking show where we learn how to make all my childhood favorites. It's almost Passover. Well, I guess when you guys see this video uploaded, it will be Passover. So today we're going to learn how to make fried matzah. This is very, very easy. The only things you need are matzah and egg. I'm going to start off by taking 2 sheets of matzah and then just crushing this up. Breaking this into small pieces. This is what it should look like when you're done. Now I'm going to soak this in water for a couple minutes. Once you have your matzah in water, you can go ahead and set that aside. And now we're going to scramble 2 eggs together. I'm just going to go ahead and crack 2 eggs into this bowl. Shit. I just dropped an egg on the floor. One moment, please. Okay, sorry about that. I hate to waste eggs, especially now when we're kind of in the middle of an egg shortage, but what are you gonna do? What's that saying? Don't cry over spilled eggs? Oh wait, no, don't cry over spilt milk. Whatever, okay. Now I'm going to take a fork or a whisk. I use a fork because I just feel like it's easier. And we're just going to whisk this together. Okay, now we have all our ingredients ready to go. I'm going to use a small skillet for this. A small skillet is better than using a big one. Just because you want everything to stay close together. I'm going to heat this up on medium, and I'm going to stick my phone above this so you can get a better view of what I'm doing. I'm just going to take a little bit of butter, put that on my pan, and while that melts, I'm going to drain the water from my matzah. If you want this to be kosher, just use margarine instead of butter. Okay. Now I'm going to add my matzah to our skillet. And I'm going to add my egg. And I'm just going to mix this around and let this cook. There's a couple ways you can have matzo brei. You can either make it a sweet or a savory version. If you want it to be sweet, I recommend sprinkling a little bit of cinnamon sugar on top. So good. But if you want it to be savory, I would just add a little bit of salt and pepper. This is actually the first year ever that I've decided to keep kosher for Passover. For those of you that don't know, keeping kosher for Passover just means that you're not eating any leavened bread. I used to never keep kosher for Passover, but now there's so many great gluten-free alternatives that it's pretty easy. Well, I'll report back to you at the end of the week and let you know if it was easy or not. I probably shouldn't be saying that it's easy before I've even started or attempted it. Our matzah's done. This is what it looks like. It literally just looks like scrambled eggs. I mean, that's essentially what it is, scrambled eggs with matzah. I'm just gonna move this onto a plate, add some salt and pepper, and then we'll give it a try. Okay, let's try this. This is so good. It tastes just like I remember. I think this is gonna be my breakfast for the next couple days. Comment below and let me know if you like your matzo brei savory or sweet. I would love to know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!